Embrace knowledge like confetti, let it sprinkle your mind with celebration of learning. Empathy. Empathy. Meaning: understanding and sharing others' feelings or experiences. Conversation examples: his genuine empathy shone through as he comforted his friend during a tough moment. The teacher's empathy helped the shy student feel understood and supported in the new school. Euphoria. Euphoria. Meaning: a feeling of intense excitement or happiness. Conversation examples:
Winning the World Football Championship filled the country with a sense of pure euphoria that lasted for days.
Upon receiving their diploma, a sense of euphoria was felt by the graduates.
Tranquil. Tranquil.
Meaning: calm, peaceful, and free from disturbance.
Conversation examples:
The gentle breeze and serene atmosphere made the park a tranquil place. The serene lake offered a tranquil setting for meditation and relaxation.
Why was the book so tranquil during the storm? Because it was in safe spot on the shelf, enjoying euphoric tales in its pages, needing no empathy to weather the plot.
Why did the book feel pure euphoria during therapy sessions? Because it finally found someone who showed it empathy by listening to its story without flipping the pages. Ever noticed how euphoria is like Wi-Fi? It's everywhere, but the password seems to change every time you get close to it.